In today's video I will show you how to get started with LIL GUI. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, LIL or Lil or Little, I don't know, but this is an alternative to Dart GUI. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to install LIL GUI inside your dev dependency. And why this is an alternative to Dart GUI? If you know about anything about Dart GUI, it is similar to LIL GUI, but Dart GUI has not been updated in recent years. That's why it has a lot of vulnerabilities. And little LIL GUI has the API very similar to Dart GUI, and it is maintained properly. So what I mean by including LIL GUI is that so here you can see I have a bunch of controls with me. So all I am doing is that so suppose I want to change the position, so I can just enter a value, suppose 1. So here you can see my cube is changed. Now I can change the Y position as well. So here I can change the Z position, I can change the visibility of cube, so it is disappeared, and I can change it into a wireframe. So here you can see it is a wireframe, and I can change the color as well. So yeah, and I will change it back to normal. I will change the color. Okay, so how to achieve this kind of functionality? So what you have to do after installing the dependency, you have to import LIL GUI, and then you have to create this object inside once your canvas reference is ready. So I have created this object over here. Then at the bottom, all I did was, first of all, I need to, for first one, this one, position 1, I'm changing the Y position. Okay, so I can just pass cube mesh dot position Y, and I have named it as position 1. You can name it whatever you want. Now for second thing, I want to change the X position, but I want to change it from -3 to 03, -3 to 3, and it should increase by a step of 0.001. so you can change this value according to whatever you want. Next, then you can also change the position of Z using min, max and step. So these two are kind of similar, but this gives you more idea on what exactly are these numbers for, and I have given it as name. Similarly for visibility, so if you check, there is a visible property for our mesh in Threejs, so you can just directly pass the visible property and name it as visibility. Then LIL GUI is smart enough to make this as checkbox. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. Similarly for wireframe, so there is either a wireframe or not a wireframe, so LIL GUI is smart enough to make it as checkbox. Now for color, so you can send colors in all this format, and to change color, you have to use GUI.add_color and then pass the color format to here, and I am using this format. Okay, so that's why I have written string over here. So if you want, you can write int, you can write an object as well, whatever you want to. And once the color is changed, I am setting it to our cube material as well. Next, suppose if you want to do some kind of run some kind of a function on LIL GUI. So what you have to do is you have to create an object. Inside that you can define your method, and this is the implementation. Like for now I am just rotating the cube mesh x-axis by 10 degree, and all you have to do is just add the parameters. So this is the object and this is the method name spin. So here you can see, if I at the bottom I have this spin button, and if I click on it, you can see it automatically, sorry, I double clicked it by mistakes, and if I click on the spin button, it moves. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.